Hosts and members can manage their notifications inside of personal settings, notifications. In here, they can choose how they would like to be notified with email updates, download the mobile app right here. They can choose the email frequency as activity happens or a daily digest, which will be sent at the end of each day. You can also allow desktop notifications, which will appear in the upper right-hand corner on their desktop. And then below is all different types of notifications. A lot of these are similar between host and member, but you'll notice that as you get further down, there will be just host and moderator notifications that can be toggled on and off per account. And then down below, you can also toggle on or off space notifications. Not listed here are notifications that are time sensitive. So if you choose to notify all for members, or you notify when you're going live and have a live stream, those will be sent in what we call real-time notifications. And members will also receive payment notifications as well in case their card has been declined and they need to update it. And also if they have subscriptions or installment plans upcoming, they will receive notifications about that as well. As a host, you will also receive notifications if content or members have been reported, so that you can go ahead and review that as well. And that's how you manage your notifications.